Dear friends, now see here, and this is also a kind of civil field plan. So see, so we need to start from here, this point. So I am selecting a line. We have already set the limits, units, everything we have set. And before going to start this type of drawing, so we need to set the limits and units. So whatever we need, so everything we need to set properly, and then we need to start drawing this diagram. I am selecting a line command, and the length is 53 feet 7.5 inches. So I am drawing this line. And press enter. Now I don't know the angle of this. I don't know the angle. See, I don't know any of the angles, but I need to create this type of field, and I need to calculate the area, and I need to make partition, or I need to divide this field to these two persons. One is this person and another one is this person. So how to do that? So, but there is a length over here, so 69 feet 1.25 inches. So I am drawing a circle by taking this value as the radius. So I am selecting circle, and from this point I am giving this value 69 feet 1.25 inches and press enter. See, this is the radius I am getting, and see, there is a diagonal value here which is 83 feet 3 inches, but I need to draw from this point, right? This is the diagonal point. So now I am again selecting circle. From this point I am drawing this dimension as the, see, radius value 83 feet 3 inches, and press enter. See, now I am getting an intersection point over here. Now what should we do? So taking a line joining these 2 points. So we have got this line. So now remove these 2 lines because these are only for reference purpose. And there is a dimension over here 86 feet. See how much is this dimension? 66 feet 3 inches. So take a circle and start from here. Draw a circle of radius 66 feet 3 inches, 66 feet 3 inches, and press enter. And now in the similar fashion of this diagonal line, there is a diagonal line over here also. So with 88 feet 7.5 inches. So again take a circle and draw a radius circle from this point with this radius value 88 feet 7.5 inches, and press enter. Now I am getting an intersection point over here, taking a line and draw these 2 lines, and now join both of these lines. So this is the actual plan. So we need to make partition these 2. So we have dimensions over here, so we need to divide this. So for that I am putting a point. See, I am putting a point over here, and also I am putting a point over here. So now what should I do? I need to move this point, select this point and give the command move and press enter. Select this and show the direction and give the value. How much is this? 34 feet 7.25 inches, and press enter. The point move to here. In the similar way, we need to move this point also. Select this point and give the command M and press enter. Select this point and show the direction and give the value 31 feet 1.1 inches, and press enter. So now we got these 2 points, and now we need to join these 2 points so that the field will be make partition. See, Now delete these 2 points and now draw 2 lines, diagonal lines. See, and this is the actual plan. Now the area he is getting 4.01 cents. So how it is getting? Once check by going into this utilities panel and click on this drop down measure and select area and select the corner points of this rectangle. See, and press enter. So I am getting 1745.14 something square feet I am getting. So now I need to calculate. So 1745.14 which is divided by 435.56 is equals to I am getting 4 cents, 4.0066. So which is approximately equals to 4 cents. So this is also 4 cents. So the area is getting 4 cents and we need to make partition on these two. Now we have completed somewhat and we need to change these 2 lines into some different kind of lines, which is a phantom type of line. Go to this properties panel and click here by layer, click here other, click on load, select phantom. See, there is a phantom and current and OK. Now select these 2 lines and go to properties and set this to this phantom, and it is not visible properly. So for that, go to command line, give the command LTS for line type, scale and press enter. Give a huge value so that it will be appeared clearly. I am giving 10, so it is not appearing. Again press enter and give the high value as 50 and press enter. See, now it is visible clearly, or you can also give some other huge value also. So like that the phantom line is appearing, and now we need to represent this text now, and we need to show the direction also. See, there is a north direction here. So how to create that? Select this line command and draw 2 lines. So draw 2 lines like this approximately, and now draw a line with some inclination and make mirror this line to the other side. Press enter. Now we are getting this direction, and our task is to represent this text over here, and for that I am selecting single line text and I am selecting, and now type the text here. So it is 50 feet. The text is appearing very small, so I am selecting again. So it is the value 50 feet 0 inches. So it is the value, and we need to make align to this line. So because this line is in somewhat inclination, right? So for that, give the command AL and press enter. Select this text and press enter. Give the first source point and first destination point. Select the second source point and second destination point and click enter 2 times. See, now the text is aligned, and we need to put this to the center. And again we need to make a copy, and there is a buzzer over here, and type this and put here and editing this as N and press enter. So it is, and now there is a text over here also. I am making copy of this text to here, here. So making copy of this text See. Now edit this text. So to 4.01 cents, and this value is the person name here. I am moving this to here because it is not visible properly. See, and now I need to edit this text also. 4.01 cents, and this is belongs to this person. So type the person name over here. See. Now there is a text over here also. Again we need to make a copy of this text to here and here and to here also, and to here this diagonal line and this diagonal line also. So now we need to make align this text. So give the command align and select this text. Select the first source point and destination point, and second source point and destination point. Press couple of times enter and put it to the center of this, and make a copy of this text also by holding Ctrl, and edit this to, there is a buzzer over here, and this dimension is 69 feet 1.25 inches, and put it to the center. And first source point, destination point, second source point, destination point. Press enter 2 times. Now see. And edit this text also, which is 88 feet 7.5 inches, and press enter. Now we are getting this. And now similarly there is a dimension here also, inside dimension. See, to here we need to put the dimension, and here also, and edit this dimension, which is 34 feet 7.25 inches, and this dimension is 34 feet 6 inches. Now check, we need to align this also. I am reducing the length of this line because it is very huge, and give the command AL and select this text, and first source point, first destination point, and second source point, second destination point, and click couple times enter, and see, there is over here, and we need to represent this text over here, and over here also, and at the center. See, we need this type, and remove one text from here and move this text. Now edit this. How much is the distance? 34 feet 4 inches, and this text is 66 feet 3 inches, and press, and this belongs to Lakshmana Rao. Lakshmana. I am not entering the full name because it is very lengthy. So see, everything completed. So we need to edit this also, which is 31 feet 1.1 inches. And now, so we need to align this text also. AL and press enter, select this text and destination point. Press enter couple of times. And now move this to some area. So remove one text. If you hold Ctrl, then it will get what to where you need this text. If you hold Ctrl and type, so it won't track the nearest points. So I need to edit this. 83 feet 3 inches and press enter. Now see, we have completed this thing, and there is a dimension over here also. And see, so 53 feet 7.5 inches, 7.5 inches it is getting, and this is also belongs to this person. Lakshmana Rao, and setting to center. And now check, we have completed this drawing, and we need to represent this in this type of field or whatever. I am going into the heads command, and I am selecting this angle. There is angle over here, and I am selecting this internal points, and I am giving the hues value so that it will be appearing good. See, this is a kind of field like this, and we need to put this to some red color or whatever you need you can put, and click on close text editor, and again select the hatch and select the internal points of this and set to different color of some pink, and close and click close text editor. Now it looks like this. You can also fill this with some solid color also. So if we add this transparency, so it will be appearing like this. So like that you can select whatever you need, and we need to give, and we need to represent this like this, so it is better I think. So like that we need to give this data, and date of survey, and surveyed, plotted and printed by, and your village, your mobile number. So like this info, making copy over here, and say I am making copy. So you can also give information by editing this. See, date of survey, and here village, and here surveyed, plotted, and printed by. So like that information you can give as you wish. So this type of drawings you need to complete in this manner, so that it will be appearing good. And we need to practice more and more drawings to get command over this type of civil or field plans. So once measure these lines whether I have drawn correct or not. So I am going into this distance, and I am selecting these 2 points. So the distance is 53 feet 7.5 inches. Yes, correct. And again I need to measure some other distance. So I am getting this as 66 feet 0.25 inches, and I am measuring this diagonal line also. It is getting 68 feet. So the diagonal, this is the diagonal line I think. So yes, the distance is 83 feet 3 inches as it is getting. And again calculate this diagonal point, so which is at a distance 88 feet 7.5 inches. As accurately we have drawn, and we have measured the area also. So in this manner you need to calculate this type of drawing.